What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hopefully each and every one of you guys is having a great and amazing day. If it's your first time stopping by, go ahead and smash that subscribe button, and while you're at it, go ahead and smash that thumbs up button. This is not a video that I wanted to make. Right behind me is where my car is at, and let me tell you, it's been nothing short of a nightmare on what's been going on with this shop. So first things first, about 7 months ago, well, we'll be fair, 6.5 months ago, I dropped my car off here at VA Performance, and like I said, it's been nothing short of a nightmare, from excuses to lies over and over, and just not getting my car done to... I'm frustrated. Sorry, I'm all over the place. He claimed that the wrong parts showed up. He claimed that FedEx lost parts. He claimed his son had COVID. He claimed he got COVID. His grandma died. His wife had a miscarriage. What other excuse could he have come up with? And 7 months later, my car is still not done. So I'm at the point where I have no choice but to get my car out. And sadly, I was supposed to get my car out Friday. Today is Sunday. My car was supposed to be done the Friday before, and he said, well, he couldn't quite get it done, so it would be ready Monday. So I'm like, all right, not a problem. Monday comes, he doesn't show up. Tuesday comes, he doesn't show up. Wednesday comes, he doesn't show up. Thursday comes, he doesn't show up. And I texted him, and I told him, look, I want my car back tomorrow, whether it's done or not. And he replied, that's fine, I'll have it done. If not, you can pick it up. I'm like, cool, not a problem. Friday comes, guess what? He doesn't show up. So I start messaging him, and of course, no answer. Another excuse. So here I am. He's telling me Monday I could pick it up. I don't want him touching the car anymore. It's simple modifications that's being done to the car. Nothing really big. No engine modifications. You know, it's not like the block is being built. It's not like he's doing a blower swap. Even though if any of those were to be done, it shouldn't be 7 months. This is something that should literally be done within a week. But he lied so many times, gave so many excuses, and he made it believable. And honestly, I bought into it, and it's just sad. It's to the point where he's become manipulative. I can't even say the word, but you get what I'm trying to say. And I'm not the only one. That's the worst case. My case is minor compared to everybody else's, but that's going to be a whole different video. I know a whole bunch of people that's been screwed over by this guy, and I've made it to a point where I'm going to expose this guy so this doesn't happen to anybody else. And that's just where I'm at with it. I hate to do it to a small business owner because I know what it's like, but I won't be happy knowing that he's out there screwing other people. And honestly, I don't care anymore. I don't care if the shop gets shut down. That's probably what's best for everybody, because I get that's how he makes his living, but you gotta be fair about things. You can't screw people over. You can't steal from people. And I just don't want it happening to anybody else, because nobody deserves that. So with that being said, I did text him. I asked him what time to meet him tomorrow, because I want my car back ASAP so I could tow it over to another shop. I already got another shop that's willing to take on the project, so I'll be towing it over there because it's not in driving condition. So big shout out to Automotive Pros. If you guys need work in the Fresno area, definitely hit them up. They are an amazing shop. They won't keep your car for 7 months like this place will. So definitely hit them up. And like I said, there will be a video with several other people in it exposing this guy, and I'll let them tell their story as well. Well, that's going to be it for today. I guess I'll be here tomorrow with a tow truck to pick up my car, to take it over to Automotive Pros, to let them finish the job. I'm not going to film him or inside the shop or anything. Hopefully he has all my parts like he says he does, and hopefully the remaining of my stock parts, I already got some of them. So man, it's just a bad situation overall, and I want to be done with it. I just want my car. I want my car to be done. I know it's going to cost me money at this point, but whatever. So like I said, I'll see you guys tomorrow with the tow truck to pick up the car, and let's get this car going. All right, so the car was left in the yard. everything's in it. There's a few things I can't find. I can't find the battery. I haven't really gone through it yet, so I have no idea what else is missing. The tow truck just showed up, so I guess off to the next location. I'm gonna go ahead and give the shop a heads up that it's being dropped off, so they kind of know the story behind it, so they're expecting it, but they were expecting it Friday like I had told them, so it is what it is at this point. We'll figure it out. So I went ahead and took the bumper cover off because I didn't want it flying off. So not exactly the sight that I wanted to see, not the scenario that I wanted it to play out, but you know, it had to go the way that it did because I wasn't playing any more games. I wasn't riding around anymore. It's just not the situation that I wanted to be in at all. Alright, so the tow truck just left. I'm about to head over to the shop right now to get everything situated, find out exactly what's going to go on. I have the bumper with me, and yeah, this is not how I wanted my day to go at all. I know I'm going to be missing things. It looks like I have all my bolts for the bumper. The wiring's there. Battery doesn't appear to be there. My connection pipes for, I can't say it yet, but some of you may know. Anyhow, let's go. So unfortunately, the news tonight did not get any better. I got word back from the technicians at Automotive Pro that, well, some of the parts that were installed may have been used. Some of the parts are missing. The parts that are used are a completely different brand than what I had originally paid for, so I'm gonna have to get that sorted out. There's missing parts, so I'm gonna order the actual part that was intended to be in the vehicle, the same brand. So overall, I just took a big loss, and it's unfortunate. It's just super disrespectful to do that to somebody. It's practically stealing. So you have no idea how stressed I've been about this whole situation. It's been a nightmare, like I've said. With that being said, I'm gonna have to order these parts, get them in. They're saying that they could get the car all finished up within a few days. So I'm missing parts. Like the battery is not there. My damn car seat for my daughter is missing. I don't know where it went. So with that being said, hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video. If you have, go ahead and smash that thumbs up button. Please guys, go ahead and share this video to put light on the situation and make sure that this doesn't happen to anybody else. Like I said, I will be making a separate video to allow other people that's had a similar situation as me with the same exact shop. Literally thousands of dollars has gone missing because parts never arrived. So I don't want that happening to anybody else, so I'm going to be creating this video to expose this guy so this no longer happens. So again, go ahead and share this video. Hopefully we can bring light to the situation, and we can make sure that this doesn't happen to anybody else in the car community in the Fresno area or all of Central Valley. If you guys have a similar story, go ahead and drop a comment in the comment section below. Let me know what you guys did. And of course guys, if you're new to the channel and you haven't subscribed already, please consider doing so. Until next time, I'm checking out.